In this video, I'll detail how to disable side button from calling emergency SOS on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and by virtue of mistake you press and hold the side button, which is supposed to turn off your Apple Watch like this. However, if you press further, you discover that your Apple Watch will call an emergency SOS. So after maybe 5 seconds or some seconds, your Apple Watch will put a call through to the emergency service on your Apple Watch. Then you can disable this. So if you want to do this, you just need to follow the steps I am about to share with you in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is just press the crown or your Apple Watch digital crown. Then click on settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down until you get to emergency SOS or SOS, then click on that. Once you selected that, locate hold side button, click on it. Then you should say press and hold the side button to call emergency services. In certain region, you may need to choose which number to call or to dial, then disable this. So once that is disabled, if you now go ahead and press the side button like 5 seconds, you discover that your Apple Watch will no longer call the emergency service. So that is how you can easily disable the side button from calling emergency service or emergency phone number on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.